Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be continuing with our 7th chords. So you're going to be learning in the key of D how to construct your major, minor, diminished 7th. So alright, welcome back. So with our construction or formation of the chords, you first form your triad, which we already know to be 1, 3, 5. Then you add the 7th note. So this one becomes your major 7th. Okay, and if you are to use the notation in the solfege, it's going to be do, mi, so, ti. On the left, you can play the same, or you can just use the 2 or 1. It'll still work. Alright, so do, mi, so, ti, do, mi, so, ti. Alright, so for the 2, the formula is 2, 4, 6, 1. And we've already played this when we're playing in E, C. It's still E minor 7. Alright, that's our chord 3 in the key of D. Then we move on to our chord 4. It's a 4. Sorry, a 4. No, we've not done the 3 right. So it's a 3, 5, 7, 2. Then we move on to chord 4, which is a 4, a 6, 1, 3. Which is a G major 7th. Alright, so that's our 3. Then a chord 5, we have 5, 7, 2, 4. It becomes an A7, not an A major 7, but an A7. Alright, okay, so this is it. If you wanted an A major 7, it would be like this, but this A7. Okay, because most of the time the 5th resolves back to 1. Alright, then this is our 6. The 6 is 6, 1, 3, 5. Then the 7, you play a 7, 2, 4, and then 6. Yeah, it's a 6. Alright, so let's play everything in context in the root position. So you have a chord 1, a chord 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. Yeah, then back to the 1. Sorry. Yeah, 1. So with all that we've done so far, we're going to be doing 3 videos on this key. So this is just the formation, and you can use them in your descending order, like let's see. Then you move on to a 6, then a 2, then a 5, back to 1, da, 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 da. 1 to 6, then to a 2, and then a 5, sorry, back to 1. Yeah. All right, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial. Practice what we've done. Make sure your hands are acquainted to the keys, and then in our next video we're going to be doing the inversions, and then the third one we'll do progressions. So thank you for being a part of this tutorial. Bye bye.